Are you ready for the ultimate showdown between two of America's most iconic leaders? Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. Who comes out on top in the battle of the presidents? From their personal qualities to their handling of pressing issues, we're diving deep into what sets them apart. Trump's confidence in his economic policies versus Biden's compassion for ordinary people. Which leader resonates with you? One with Trump's strong stance on immigration and Biden's commitment to abortion policy. Their differences are stark. But what about their mental sharpness, honesty, and likability? The numbers are in, and the results might surprise you. Join me as we explore the intriguing contrasts between these two presidential figures. And if you want to stay informed about the latest political insights, it's a humble request. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started, I hope. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel.